morning, everybody. Hopefully today will be the first day of wheat harvest, but I highly doubt it. It's not windy, it's not dry. In fact, it's the complete opposite. It's humid, it's still pretty wet, and it's cold. So I'm gonna call Larry, put the pressure on Larry, and then after that I'm gonna call Grandpa and put the pressure on Grandpa, because there's nothing better than putting pressure on those two. So let's see how this goes.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what time we rolling today?
I don't know. I hope we can.
That's what I'm talking about. We're going to try about 2 o'clock?
2 or 3, probably.
Now we're talking, boys.
Now you can get your nap, see?
Shoot. I got so much crap to do, it ain't even funny.
Oh, it's not? Oh, come on.
Now we're going to call Grandpa and put the pressure on Grandpa. Hey, what time we rolling today?
Yeah, I don't know. Not till mid-afternoon, I'm sure.
Oh, good. At least you're going to try.
Oh, I have to look at a sample later. Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal.
I'll let you know at noon, come out whenever.
The sun is out. It is shining. It's going to be a good day. I'll see you guys on out at the farm. Oh yeah, we're here. I can feel it in the air. It's gonna go today. That weed out there is gonna test right at 13.1, 12.9. It's gonna happen. Today's the day. Today's the day. All right, I'm gonna get the old wheat truck untarped, get it ready to go, because Blaine ain't got the semi ready. There's no semi, so if we are going today, we're gonna have 2 little wheat trucks keeping up with 2 combines. So that's not gonna be fun. Like always, I gotta make sure this thing's got plenty of gas in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get her topped off because, again, gas gauge doesn't work. But I do have a nice new cap on there. Look at that, that's nice. Again, looks like Grandpa's gonna fire up the combine first. Here we go, we're gonna do a test cut. I don't think your brother knows what he's doing. Oh yeah. Probably lost his cell phone. Dang kids. TikToking. Let's see what the old sample is here. That looks really clean. Ooh, that feels a little wet. It's gonna be close. There is some crunch to it, but
You don't really want to set it any closer.
I think they got it set right. So what we're doing this year is we're leaving the straw in rows like this so we can come by with the baler. You'll see on the back of my combine, my spreaders are still on here. So when the material comes out of the back of the machine, it hits the spreaders and then shoots it out. But this year, it just flops it on the ground so we can go by with the square baler and bale all this up for nice little bitty square bales. So Larry's gonna go over to Belmont and we'll see what the grain is. Hopefully it's 13.2, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna get my machine backed up to the shop so I can get these spreaders off. So that way, instead of spreading out the straw, it just drops straight down so we can bale it up. That took you long enough? Did you go to Cheney?
What's the hurry?
Oh, don't say that.
Might be ready next week.
Oh, what's the moisture?
16-1.
Oh, bull crap. Seriously? Dang it.
Yep, you should have stayed home.
Yep. Well, there goes that. Well, no cutting wheat today. That sucks. But Grandpa's gonna go ahead and get in the 1680 right there. He's gonna dump what he's got on the bin onto this truck. We got Larry over there in the 5488. We're gonna go hook that tractor up to the disc. So just in case we start a fire, we can disc up the wheat stubble really quick. Well, we got Larry hooked up to the disc. Thank God nobody died. It went really smooth. Next thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna get the tractor and square baler. We're gonna go out here, bale up some of this straw, make sure our bales are good and tight, make sure we like them, so that when we're actually ready to go, we just get in the tractor and go start square baling. So we got the bales good and tight. We got them set at the right length, set at the right width. Now we're gonna fire up the New Holland Stackliner and see exactly how that works. Fingers crossed it all goes pretty smooth, but you never know with these old guys. Now, when was the last time your brother ran something like this?
50-some years.
50 years ago in South Dakota. Just like that. I think we finally are working all the kinks out of it. That right there was a successful first test on the New Holland Stack Cruiser. Anyway, wheat's too wet. Maybe we'll have better luck tomorrow. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and we'll see y'all later.